Hello guys, welcome back, and today's lesson we are looking at trigonometry equation. We have the equation written down. So 3 sine theta plus 5 cot theta is equal to cosec theta, and we have been given the range theta it is greater than or equal to 0 degree but less than or equal to 360. So our angle shouldn't be 360. Our limit it is 360 and below. So let's get started for solution. Let's write down the question. We have 3 sine theta plus 5 cot theta is equals to cosec theta. Then what you have to do, you have to make sure that you expand these terms, because cot it is we have this identity for cot theta it is equals to cos theta over sine theta, the inverse of tan. This is the identity for cot, so we have to substitute where there is cot by this term which we have here, in which it will be 3 sine theta plus 5 open bracket, then cos theta over sine theta in the bracket equals cosec. We all know that we have also the identity of cosec theta it is equals to 1 over sine theta. So we have to substitute where there is cosec with 1 over sine theta, so in which it will be 1 over sine theta. Let's get going. Then here we have over 1, then we look for a common denominator which is sine theta. 1 into sine theta, we are going to have sine theta times the 3 sine theta, we are going to have 3 sine squared theta plus sine theta into sine theta, it is 1 times the cos theta, we are going to have 5 cos theta, which is equals to 1 over sine theta. And if you can see, this is an equation, which means that this part it is equal to this side here, in which sine theta it is equal to sine theta. So this one cancels each other, in which we remain with we equate 3 sine squared theta plus 5 cos theta, it is equals to 1. Even here we have an identity which says sine squared theta plus cos squared theta, it is equals to 1. So we have to make sine theta the subject of the formula. If you can see here, we have different terms, so we have to make all the equation to be in cos term, in which it will be sine squared theta, it is equals to 1 minus cos squared theta. So we have to make sure that where is sine theta, we substitute it with the 1 minus cos squared theta. So here we are going to have 3 open bracket 1 minus cos squared theta close plus 5 cos theta, it is equals to 1. So let's expand this one now, in which we are going to have 3 times 1, which is 3, minus 3 times the cos squared theta, we are going to have 3 cos squared theta, then plus 5 cos theta, which is equals to 1. So in which when we correct the right term, we are going to remain with minus cos squared theta plus 5 cos theta, it is equals to 1 minus c. When 3 across the equal sign, it will be minus 3, in which minus 3 cos squared theta plus 5 cos theta, it is equals to minus 2. Here we have minus 2. So we have to take all the terms to this side, in which it will be this one, it will be positive. So it will be 3 cos squared theta minus, when positive 5 across the equal sign, it will be minus 5 cos theta, then minus 2, because this 2, it didn't cross any equal sign, because we are shifting these terms to the left side, in which it will be equals to 0. And if you can see, this is a quadratic equation. So if you want, you can let cos theta to be equals to x for you to be comfortable. So we have to substitute where there is cos with the x. So in which we are going to have 3 x squared minus 5 x minus 2, which is equals to 0. So here we have to look for product and sum, in which it will be product, it will be 1 and minus 6, because if you multiply product, it is 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6. So we have to look for two numbers in which when you multiply, it will give us negative 6, and when you add or subtract, it will give us so the sum, it is minus 5. So let's take these variables to substitute it here. It will be 3x squared, then minus or plus x minus 6x minus 2, which is equals to 0. Then let's factorize now, in which it will be, what's common here, it is x. Then open bracket, x into 3x, we are going to remain with 3x plus x into x, which is 1. Here what's common, it's easy, minus 2. Minus 2 into 6x, we are going to have 3x minus 2 into minus 2, which is positive 1, cross bracket, which is equals to 0. So now let's get the term in which it will be x minus 2 in the bracket, then 3x plus 1, it is equals to 0. So our first value of x, it will be x equals 2, or 3x equals 1. We divide by 3, in which we are going to have x equals 1 over 3. This is negative here, and we have to substitute here, because we let cos theta to be equals to x. So we have to substitute it back where there is x, in which it will be cos theta, it is equals to 2, and this value, it has no solution. So here there is no solution for 2. For this one, we have cos theta equals minus 1 over 3. So now let's punch on calculator. When we punch on calculator, 1 divided by 3, we are going to have cos theta equals to minus 0.333. But when finding the angle, when shifting the cos, you have to first eliminate the negative. but keep in mind that there is negative. So we have to shift this answer which we have here, shift cos. So our first angle it is when you do theta equals cos inverse of 0.33. You eliminate negative, but you have to know that there is negative. So the answer which we have found it is 70.528. So this is not our actual angle. So in which we have the range 0 degree, it is greater, it is less than or equal to theta, then less than or equal to 360 degree. So our range it is from here. This is a quadrant. We have the first angle it is 70, which is here. 70. Let's assume here it's 70. So there's a acute angle even here of 70, in which we are going to start from here going this side. So we are going to do 180 degree minus 70, because we are starting from here up to here. So in which it will be this is 70 point, this one we are going to have 109.47. And when you start from here going this side, so you're going to add 180 plus 70. So 180 degree plus 70.528, we are going to have 250 degree point, and here we have a degree 250.53, in which our angle our solution it is 109.47 degree and 250.53 degree. So degree it is in this side. So this is our answer, which we have for 3 sine theta plus 5 cot theta, it is equals to cosec theta. Thank you for watching. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time we see you.